looking at what is happening in the judiciary of Nigeria is very frightening. As people of Nigeria, when we can no longer believe in the judiciary, and when the judiciary itself becomes our major problem, we are in trouble. Jonathan said categorically, and he's right, no right-thinking man or corporation or government will come and invest in another government or another country where the judiciary is openly, seemingly, we can see very clearly that you can buy judgment in Nigeria. Nobody is going to come and invest here. Jonathan is the right person to know, because Jonathan today is moving at the international level, monetary and every other way, UN and every other way, of major decision-making processes in the world. Jonathan is recognized there as a protector of and practicer of true and real democracy. So what is happening in Rivers State is undemocratic. The process that has now brought the sole administrator into Rivers State is undemocratic. Every Falana has said it, the NBA president has said it, that under the cover of Section 305, that the president can call for a state of emergency, because even Jonathan called for a state of emergency. But that was even, the situation was even worse, because terrorists were inside Nigeria and displacing Nigerians in their own country.
Hoisting flags.
Yes, hoisting flags in an independent country. So that was even more of a necessity than this one in Rivers State. The president said that pipeline was blown up and that Fubara did not do anything. Pipeline was not blown up, so how can Fubara do something? It's clear that pipeline was not. Even the owners of that trunk has said nothing happened. Let them show us where pipeline was blown up and there was fire. Let them show us. And the destruction that it caused moving forward. So the National Assembly that is supposed to protect the interest of the people of Nigeria have now become the problem of the people of Nigeria. Ireti Kinkigbe has said that how they came about what they did in the National Assembly is illegal. Tambowa has said it's illegal. So the North has made their own statement. Afenifere has made their own statement. So if everybody is saying you are wrong, you should look at yourself. You may be, you truly may be wrong. If everybody is saying that that you're wrong, the president can correct this error. This is an error. He has been advised wrongly to do this to the people of Rivers State. We do not deserve the... Look, the president says that he won election in Rivers State. INEC says he won election based on the fact that people of Rivers State voted for him. If that is true, where is our crime? What crime have Rivers State committed? You say it's doctrine of necessity. What necessity? The governor is doing exactly what you are requesting for him to do. And the people of Rivers State are supporting him. Nobody is telling the governor in Rivers State today not to obey court order, court ruling. Nobody. And we are supporting him. We may not agree in the way that the Supreme Court gave that judgment, bringing in issues that they had no business to be. It's not their business. Nobody brought it to them. The case of Amaewhule them are in Rivers State High Court. A judgment has not been passed. So, but Fubara is saying, I want peace. And we are also saying, Rivers people are encouraging Fubara